there are two things. If you decide not to go with this business, absolutely fine. Nobody is going to come you and chase you and ask you and call you, disturb you. No, you just tell, no, Aishwarya, I'm not ready right now, or I will join sometime later, not now, or this business is not for me. Absolutely fine. You can refund this 149 100% in 30 days. That's a 30 days trial period. But if you're going with this business 149 we are going to use for your this is a one-time fees that we are going to use for your training. So step-by-step training, your video-based training, and in multiple language you can watch. And the second thing, we are mentorship and coaching. Third is like your automation system, your tools, your page setup, your website, and automation system. Everything you will get access. And then fourth is supportive global community. You're going to get access of that community. So you can, wherever you get stuck, you can ask your mentor, coach, and supportive community. So these four things you are going to get in this 149 if you start with this.